Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of filters not working on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve filters not working on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here we can click apps, default apps, app settings. We go here, then you can click on CapCut. After that, in this page of app info, you will enter to force stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear detail because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your